Today's lesson will be about trigonometric identities. What are trig identities? Okay, for this lesson, we are going to use only two trig identities, and I am going to make it easier for everyone to understand. Okay, the first trig identity is sine squared theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay, now let us make sine subject of the formula. So sine squared theta will be equals to 1, and it will take cos to the other side, will be 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, now let us make cos subject of the formula. So it will be cos squared theta equals to 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, this was the first trig identity. Now let us go to the second trig identity, which I'm gonna write, which I am gonna write in another color. It will be tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. We're done. Now let us do a few examples. If you were told in the exam basically to determine the value of the following expression, how would you work it out? Okay, let's see. Number one, you have sine. Let us say number one, you have 2 sine x multiplied by cos x in bracket 1 plus tangent squared x over tangent x. Don't forget, instead of x, I may choose to use theta, beta, alpha, whatsoever. How do you answer this question? Number one, you need to identify the trig identities. Okay, for instance, tangent x can be expanded because this is an identity. This can be rewritten as, don't forget, tangent x can be rewritten as sine x over cos x. What about tangent squared x? It can also be rewritten as sine squared x over cos squared x. Okay, that's the first step. Now let's rewrite everything. 2 sine x cos x, 1 plus sine squared x over cos squared x, and then everything divided by sine x over cos x, right? What do we do from here? Okay, we need to get rid of this fraction. Remember from earlier grades, you were taught to deal with this. If you don't remember, watch one of my previous videos. Sine squared x over cos squared x multiplied by the reciprocal of this fraction in our denominator, which will be cos x over sine x. From here, we can divide. We can say sin x divided by sin x, right? And then cos x multiplied by cos x. What do we get? We're going to get 2 cos squared x, open bracket, 1 plus sine squared x over cos squared x. Okay, now I would advise you to simplify what's in the bracket. Simplify that, okay? Let's simplify it. I'm going to use the green color. 1 plus sine squared x over cos squared x. Okay. This you are going to cross multiply. Okay. So you're going to have cos squared x plus sine squared x over cos squared x. Right? Now let's plug it into our expression. This is the same as cos squared x plus sine squared x over cos squared x. But what is this? This is an identity. And it is equals to 1. Don't forget. Cos squared x plus sine squared x is the same as sine squared x plus cos squared x. So let's plug 1 now into our main expression. 1 over cos squared x. From here, you can multiply. This is much easier. You will have cos squared x over cos squared x. The 2 can now divide, and then the resulting answer is 2. Easy, isn't it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.